everybody. I haven't been on YouTube in years, but I'm about to make my own lip gloss line, and I decided to record everything I do because I've seen so many girls on here record, and that's where I got all my information from, and I want to give y'all the same information I got. So let's get into it. And I'm thinking about going ahead and making some lip gloss tonight for the first time. And excuse my hair, but I just got it clipped back because I had to glue that thing down. Anyway, so this video is just going to show what I've gotten so far. Everything I've ordered. I basically got everything except pigment, but I'm just going to start off with a clear gloss first, like just straight clear with chunky glitters. So yeah, so this is everything that I have so far. It's just everything. So I'm going to try to link everything that I've bought and where I bought it from. So these are 200 pipettes. I got these off of Amazon. I think they were $6.99. And I got these from Dollar Tree. They're just easy seal storage containers. And this is what I'll be keeping the gloss in. I bought these organza bags. These were $9.99 off of Amazon. They're just cute little baggies that I'm gonna, when someone purchases the gloss, it's gonna go in there. And they look silver because my colors are black and gold, but they're not silver. It's just the inside lining showing from the outside. So yeah, I got these off of Amazon as well. Again, these were about $10, and they have all kind. I just wanted some cute ones to match my theme, so you don't have to get these. Like, they had a mixed bag for like $6.99 or something on the same amount. But yeah, I got those, and I got these, which is a great find from Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar Tree is the plug, dead ass. But yeah, I got these from Dollar Tree. There are 12 in each one, so you could do 24 glosses at one time if you want to. I don't think I'm gonna be doing that many. I might just do like 5 tonight if I decide to do it, or I may do it tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah, these very cute. I'm gonna show you all the oils that I got, and I got all my oils off of Amazon. You do not have to, but I got all mine off of Amazon. Okay, so the first one is the liquid coconut oil. It is 16 ounces. I got this off of Amazon. I got, and as I've been saying, I've been researching. Y'all gonna have to research, look. Like, that's all I've been doing for like the last month, is researching, looking at people YouTubes, you know, getting information from them. So yeah, this is what I heard that you mostly make your clear glosses with. But I did get grapeseed oil. It's 16 ounces. I got that off of Amazon as well. This is if somebody's allergic to have peanut allergies or anything like that, then you have your grapeseed oil. I googled what makes gloss shiny. Don't know if it works. Again, I've been researching, and this is what I was told that castor oil does. So I ordered that oil off of Amazon. All my oils I got off of Amazon. And then I didn't even know I had 2 of these. But anyways, I got 2 vitamin E oils. I got these off of Amazon too. They were, I forgot how much those were, but we'll look into all that later. Another thing I got is long handle spoons. You get those bowls for me. And I like these because, like I said, these are long handle spoons. So when I'm stirring my gloss up, they're in that bag beside the microwave. This is the good stuff, guys. So I have, no, don't open it, just leave them closed. I have the TKB Gloss Base. Now, because of COVID-19, I had initially ordered these like maybe 2 weeks ago. However, I had got strawberry flavoring and vanilla flavoring. But when you go on their website, if you pay attention, there's going to be a little thing that says quick ship. If you just get this, it'll ship within like 1 to 3 days. So what I did, like, it was taking forever to even start to ship when I had those flavorings in them. So I canceled the flavorings and just did another order and got these, and they came fast. Like, y'all, it was like maybe 3 days for real. Like, they came fast. But like I said, it's TKB gloss base, and it's 5.5 ounces. If you can see, it's the ones I've seen on YouTube. They've been having the white background with TKB on it. Not these. I guess it's cheaper to print them this way. But yeah, I got 3 of these just because I'm starting. I got these. I don't know if I'll be really using these glitters. It was just something I seen, so I picked them up. But I got all of these glitters. There's a couple more down there, but we're just gonna experiment with these. And I got tubes to put all the glitters in. Well, like I said, I don't know if I'm really gonna be using those glitters yet, because again, this is the first time of me doing it. I got these spoons from Amazon. I really wanted just this one, but I couldn't find one. But you see how tiny it is? Like, you can scoop your glitter into your tubes. So I got that. And then I got these chunky glitter from Amazon. And I'll show you the colors. Let's see. And this is cosmetic glitter. So here are the cute little glitters. They give you 8 of them. And last but not least, I have these. Now, my mom ordered these off of Amazon. Like I said, nobody knew that I was going to start a gloss line. But, so, I had put these in my wish list on Amazon. And my mama just ordered them out the blue for me. But this one actually comes with 20 milliliter syringes. I'm sure I'm going to need a bigger syringe. But because I'm just starting out, I think these will be fine. But it came with 3. I'm not sure if it actually has 3. Because if I remember, it only had 2. When I was looking at it, but they could have mistakenly put 3 in there, or it really does have 3. I have to go back and look. But yes, I got these, and this all came together with these. And then I got, I think it's 20 empty tubes, see, 22 lip gloss. Yeah, 22. Oh, and it does say 3-pack syringe on here, so yeah, you'll get 3 of them. But they pop open like that. You got your little lip part and then your top. And before I make gloss or sell them, I'm gonna literally wash these out because we don't know where they came from, and these gonna be on our lips. Also, I have face masks that I'll be using when making these, and I have gloves that I'm gonna be using. And last but not least, the bowls. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and make some tonight. I'm kind of nervous because I'm like, I don't know, what if it don't turn out right? But at the end of the day, it's trial and error, and that's why I wanted to do mine online, because hey, each one teach one. So guys, like, subscribe, comment, any questions. If you have any tips for me, leave tips, and I'll see y'all soon.